So as the company grows, I'm going to be doing a lot more traveling, and with my previous job when I traveled, I was used to packing tools, so checking my personal bag wasn't too uncommon. With that, I grew a lot of bad overpacking habits, so moving forward with the company, I want to be a lot leaner within my packing. I want to have one bag just for my camera equipment and one bag for everything else. For that everything else, enter the Pakt one. The Pakt one is a bag created in part by the minimalists and features a clean, elegant design and is 100% animal friendly with plastic-free packaging. Right away, you're going to notice how the exterior of the bag is logo-free and looks very clean. Taking a look at the outside, you will notice there are 3 zippers on the top, but more on that later. Let's look at the side pockets. On one side, you have a pouch secured with magnets. I've heard a lot of negative reviews about not really being able to keep anything secure there, but my take is that if you need a spot to throw something quick, it's there. If you need something valuable, you're not going to put it in a very easy to access pouch. Also on that side is a zipped pouch that is pretty spacious and contains what they call a TSA pouch, which, although I've yet to try, should make emptying your pockets to get through security a lot easier. The red stripe is a reminder to grab your important items. Moving over to the other side, there are 2 zipped pockets, one of which contains a place to keep your keys and a few business cards. Now I won't keep you waiting any longer, let's check out the inside. This is a great time to mention that the black color of this bag has waterproof zippers to it, whereas the other colors, navy and gray, do not. Opening up the bag, you will notice one side is a mesh cover and the other is actually a padded laptop holder. My 15-inch MacBook Pro fits in just fine, but your mileage may vary. It can be a snug fit around that size. The 2 sides on the inside are essentially the same. They both have a zipped pouch that you can toss some smaller items in, as well as 2 mesh pockets to throw in camera lenses, toiletries, stuff like that. There's also a laundry bag included, so you can keep your dirty clothes separate on your travels, which is something I've always struggled with, even with a larger checked bag. Although that's probably more my fault. So that in a nutshell is the Pakt one. Obviously this is very much a first impressions overview to the bag. I'm going to be doing some traveling in the next couple weeks with it, which I'm going to be making some videos and giving a real hands-on experience with the bag as I do those travels. But for now, I just want to show you guys that it's a really cool looking bag. It has a lot of really cool features and really just introduce you to part of the channel and part of the content that I want to start producing moving forward, and that is the minimalist lifestyle, life improvements, life hacks, self-development, that sort of thing. So I hope that you guys found this enjoyable. Leave me a comment below if you did, or what your thoughts are on the bag, if it's something you can see yourself using maybe. And until next time, I'll see you on the internet.